Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Thank you very much and welcome to my YouTube channel, English Practice with Selim Raza. I hope that you all are well. Alhamdulillah, I am fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. You know that I am discussing about sentence as the grammatical function. You know that sentence is very important in any language, especially in English. Dear viewers, at first I would like to talk about the definition of sentence. What do we understand by sentence? Sentence is nothing but group of words having complete meaning or sense of some matter or something. But if some words sit side by side but does not make any sense, it is not sentence. So, for becoming a sentence, a group of words or two words must have a particular significant or full sense, full meaning. We can define sentence in this way. If a group of words sit side by side and make a complete meaning or sense about something on some matter, it is called sentence. For example, I go to Dhaka every week. Dear viewers, it is a sentence because I want to go to Dhaka. I go to Dhaka. They are the combination of words, group of words. And the first sentence is making the meaning that I go to Dhaka in per week. So it is giving a complete meaning or sense. Dear viewers, but if we write in this way that go to I Dhaka per week, it is also a group of words, but it does not make clear meaning. The meaning here is not clear, so it is not the sentence. It does not fill up the condition of sentence. So, dear viewers, we need to discuss, we need to read and write more and more about sentences. I hope more discussions about the structure, definition, formation of sentence will be available in my next videos, inshallah. So from this discussion, we are clear that a sentence has a clear meaning about anything, complete meaning. Without complete sense or complete meaning, no group of words or no sentence is a real sentence. And we have to practice a lot of sentences. For example, the boys are playing football in the field. The principal is allowing the students to go on a study tour. Both the sentences are giving us clear sense about sentence. So dear viewers, I urge all of you, especially who are learners, to be attentive about the formation of sentence and try to practice more and more. Inshallah, I hope that our experience about sentence will increase. And I hope you all are with me with my channel, and inshallah you will continue to support me. Thank you very much.